Hi there, Life Shifters. Maureen Atkinson here, founder of Life Shift, a community that encourages purpose and adventure in later life. This video is about my stay at the beautiful Mangosteen Areuvedic and Wellness Resort in Phuket, Thailand, part of a series of videos on our channel about my travels in Asia. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, or better still, subscribe. A goal of mine has been to go to a yoga retreat in Asia, where yoga has been practiced for over 1,000 years. A bonus now is that my lovely niece, Jenny, lives in Malaysia. So as COVID shut everything down, that looked like a very remote possibility. However, I stuck with it, just practiced yoga at home, and when things eased off, I went to a yoga retreat closer to home in Mexico. In the meantime, Jenny found the Mangosteen, which came highly recommended, and after about 5 years, my dreams came true. This is about that dream coming true. This was the first time I had been to Phuket. Jenny and I were so excited to fly on Firefly Airlines from Penang to Phuket, just the two of us. This was what we saw from the taxi window on our way to the resort from the Phuket airport. Not totally enrapturing, to say the least. Thankfully, the Mangosteen is set on an idyllic hill overlooking the ocean, seemingly miles away from the less attractive elements of the island. This was what our accommodation looked like, in a villa nestled into the beautiful grounds. They take special care to honor the environment with refillable water containers and refillable bathroom amenities such as shampoo. They also honor their gods with these altars in a quiet area of the surroundings, really grounding the whole resort in the character and culture of Thailand. It's so clear where you are. Each day started with a lovely sunrise, along with early morning yoga sessions. This is the yoga that most North American practitioners would be familiar with, all held in this beautiful open pavilion with ocean breezes and fans for air movement, all to the accompaniment of the local birds. In addition to morning sessions, there was afternoon yoga or some specialties such as Qi Gong. Meditation was also part of our day, sometimes with yoga sessions. One evening before dinner, we experienced the amazing Himalayan singing bowls meditation. The vibration of these bowls are so soothing and resonant that you feel that you are on another plane. This young woman was so talented in how she executed this. While the Mangosteen has full Areuvedic programs, they also offer a range of great food and body treatments within this beautiful environment. One special treat was the addition of a Thai cooking class. This was one of my special requests because I really feel that you experience so much more of a culture when you learn how to cook their food. Plus, I love to cook, and I love Thai food. This was a natural. They certainly delivered, from the setup, which included beautifully laid out ingredients and already garnished serving dishes. This is our wonderful instructor, Rod, who demonstrated and helped us through cooking shrimp patties, green Thai curry, and pad Thai noodles. So yummy and so much fun. We came away feeling so accomplished and so full of good, healthy food. We also agreed that if we had all of this preparation for us, we could do amazing Thai food anywhere. In a flash, we were packing to leave, feeling relaxed and soothed by our beautiful retreat. If you enjoyed this video, check out our channel for more videos on my Asia travels and other retreats. Don't forget to sign up for regular emails on our website at www.lifeshift.com.